So excited.
Lila, how's that fan working? It's not working.
I said it's not on.
Oh. Anyways, so we're here now. We got the Anyways, the Dirty Bros has got to let all the sealant set up. So we're gonna be heading to C10 Shindig in Independence, Missouri, at the I think it's Cable Dahmer Event Center now.
Is it?
Yeah. So.
Where's the Silverstein? So.
Whole family's in the car. DJ's got some other stuff going on today, so he will not be joining us. But we are on our way to check out some cool trucks. It's always nice when you got a decent show in your backyard. Let's see how fun it is. Get some videos and hopefully have a good family day out. Yeah? Alrighty. See you guys.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot.
They're pretty cool ones, huh?
Because you want a bag, buddy? Let's go get us a bag. One more.
Hey, well, that one's pretty cool, isn't it? No bed. That's pretty cool. That one's cool too, huh?
The water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. Man makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me and take me on. Down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can't cry out, 'cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down. Take me on down. Well, I sank that body by the riverbank. Caught a boat sap, took off like a hurricane. With spotlights, dogs, hit the whole 9 yards. Of breathing down my neck and breathing hard. 2 weeks in a wild chase across the highways, mountains over.
Girl, I know you ain't that freaking hot. Are you dying?
Yes, I want to go jump in our cold pool.
The damn girl's got her stunner shades on, her freaking fan blowing. Woo! Look a little hot.
Found a man at the harbor, said that he could take me across the ocean somewhere far away. Lord, forgive me and take me on down the river where the kids can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can cry out, 'cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down. Take me
Made out here to the C10 Shindig, Independence, Missouri. It is hot. The asphalt is cooking us. I think Mama and the little one is ready to head on out. Great show. Got to see some friends we haven't seen in a little while. Check out some cool cars. Put this on your list, guys. See ya. Man, I tell you what, the real car show is out in the parking lot. Yeah, buddy, I'm about to flip y'all around to see this badassness. No dirt, eat your fucking heart out. I bet you that thing picks up all the pooty tang. get some of that, boy.
A burger or like a hot dog or corn dog? Burger. Do
You
like
want the whiz?
You like chili on it? Okay, so just a whiz burger.
When in Rome, or AKA Independence, you come to Mugs Up Root Beer, or what is it called?
Yeah, Mugs Up.
Homemade. Is that? Oh, it's just called Mugs Up Drive-In. Follow us on Facebook, Mugs Up Drive-In, or tweeters. Get on the old tweeters and you go to Mugs Up Drive-In. I'm gonna say I can't zoom in on these. I think I'm gonna do the chili whiz cheeseburger. No.
No, it's just regular tea and sweet.
They do baptizing.
Do you need that baptized?
I think all churches do baptizing.
Do they though? What about those Episcopalians?
I'm Episcopalian.
You're Episcopalian?
Shut up.
Who's ready to get in the pool after a hot day at the show? Ooh, hello, sexy. Are you done leaking at us? Did you miss me?
Stop it.
This is a dirty rose. I'm here to get dirty with ya. She's just jealous because I got a secret relationship with my vehicles. They're drying up in the sun. Remember guys, stay cold-hearted. Right on.